One morning, children were crying, and people stared at the sky in fear. In 2001, red rain fell in Kerala, India. It looked like blood. People were terrified. Scientists discovered an unknown microbe, and its origin is still a mystery. Some say it's alien life, others claim it's cosmic dust, but no final answer has ever been found. This world is far more terrifying and unknown than we think. If you want to explore more chilling mysteries like this video, share your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for real mysteries that others don't even dare to talk about. This is Paul Info.